In today's video, we'll delve into the semiconductor industry's promising comeback and discuss some top stocks to watch in this space. So before we start, if you find value in this video, please support our channel by liking and subscribing to our weekly updates. Now, let's get started. The semiconductor industry is attempting to stage a comeback after facing significant challenges in recent years. Sales have been steadily increasing, painting a much brighter picture compared to the situation in 2023. Rebounding demand is driving sales, and analysts believe that the industry has a lot of untapped potential. The Semiconductor Industry Association, SIA, reported on May 7th that global semiconductor sales totaled $137.7 billion during the first quarter of 2024, marking a 15.2% increase year over year. However, sales did see a 5.7% decline from the fourth quarter of 2023. Despite this dip, the SIA remains optimistic, attributing the decline to normal seasonal trends and expecting sales to grow at a faster pace in the coming months. According to SIA President and CEO John Nuffer, first quarter global semiconductor sales were significantly higher than the total from the first quarter of last year, but sales slipped somewhat on a month-to-month and quarter-to-quarter basis, reflecting normal seasonal trends. The semiconductor industry experienced a significant boost during the peak of the pandemic as millions of people worked from home, leading to a surge in demand for communication devices and other gadgets. However, price pressures arose due to high interest rates as the Federal Reserve implemented aggressive monetary tightening policies to curb sky-high inflation, resulting in a drop in demand. With inflation showing signs of easing in 2023, demand started to rebound, subsequently driving sales upward. The SIA predicts semiconductor sales to grow by double digits for the rest of 2024 as price pressures ease further. Additionally, the ongoing excitement surrounding artificial intelligence, AI, particularly generative AI, is expected to drive semiconductor sales in the near term. Experts believe that AI holds significant potential, with much yet to be witnessed by the world. This burgeoning interest in AI is likely to drive demand even further as more tech companies explore this avenue. Given the promising future of the semiconductor industry, it would be wise to consider investing in semiconductor stocks such as Micron Technology, Incorporation, NXP Semiconductors, and Texas Instruments. Each of these stocks holds a Zacks rank of number 2, buy, or number 3, hold, indicating their potential for good returns. Let's dive deeper into these companies. Number 1 on our list is Micron Technology, Incorporation, ticker MU. Micron Technology has firmly established itself as a leading provider of semiconductor memory solutions on a global scale. The company operates through its well-known brands, Micron, Crucial, and Ballistics, each contributing to its robust product portfolio. Micron manufactures and markets a wide range of high-performance memory and storage technologies, including dynamic random access memory, DRAM, NAND flash memory, NOR flash, and the innovative 3D X-point memory. These cutting-edge solutions are integral to a variety of leading-edge computing applications, ranging from consumer electronics to sophisticated networking and mobile products. Micron's technology is not just a cornerstone in everyday gadgets, but also a critical component in advanced computing systems, which include data centers, artificial intelligence applications, and enterprise servers. The company's products are designed to meet the growing demands for speed, efficiency, and reliability in data processing and storage, positioning Micron as a key player in the rapidly evolving tech landscape. Looking at its financial performance, Micron Technology's expected earnings growth rate for the current year is an astonishing 775%. This remarkable growth projection underscores the company's ability to capitalize on the recovering semiconductor market. Moreover, the Zacks consensus estimate for Micron's current year earnings has seen a significant upward revision of 240.4% over the past 60 days. This improvement highlights the strong positive momentum behind the company's financial prospects. Currently, MU carries a Zacks rank number 2, buy, reflecting strong analyst confidence in its near-term potential. This ranking positions Micron as a compelling investment opportunity for those looking to gain from the semiconductor industry's resurgence. The company's robust pipeline of innovative products, coupled with its strategic market positioning and impressive financial growth, makes it a standout choice for investors aiming to leverage the burgeoning demand in the tech sector. But before we proceed, here's something to ponder. What do you think sets Micron apart from other semiconductor companies in the market? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Number 2, NXP Semiconductors, ticker NXPI. NXP Semiconductors stands out as a key player in the semiconductor industry, specializing in high-performance, mixed-signal, and standard product solutions. The company leverages its extensive expertise in RF, radio frequency, analog, power management, interface, security, and digital processing technologies. This diverse technological foundation allows NXP to offer a wide range of products that meet the complex needs of various industries. One of the most promising areas for NXP is the Level 2, 5 automotive market, which encompasses advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, and autonomous driving technologies. This market is poised for significant growth as automotive manufacturers increasingly integrate sophisticated electronics into their vehicles to enhance safety, efficiency, and user experience. NXP's advanced semiconductor solutions are crucial for enabling these cutting-edge automotive technologies, positioning the company to capitalize on this rapidly expanding sector. In addition to its strong presence in the automotive market, NXP Semiconductors is also a leader in the industrial and IoT, Internet of Things markets. The company's general-purpose microcontrollers and application processors are widely used in a variety of industrial applications, from smart manufacturing to home automation. NXP's solutions enable seamless connectivity, efficient power management, and robust security, which are essential for the proliferation of IoT devices. Financially, NXP Semiconductors is on a solid growth trajectory. The company's expected earnings growth rate for next year is projected to be 12.8%, reflecting its strong market position and the growing demand for its products. Furthermore, the Zacks consensus estimate for NXP's current year earnings has improved by 1.2% over the past 60 days. This steady improvement in earnings estimates underscores the company's growth potential and financial stability. Presently, NXPI holds a Zacks rank number 3, hold, indicating that it is a reliable investment option within the semiconductor sector. The combination of NXP's technological expertise, strategic market positioning, and positive financial outlook makes it an attractive choice for investors looking to benefit from the ongoing advancements in the semiconductor industry. As NXP continues to innovate and expand its product offerings, it remains well-positioned to take advantage of emerging trends and opportunities in the tech landscape. This forward-thinking approach ensures that NXP Semiconductors will continue to be a significant player in the industry, providing investors with solid growth potential and a dependable investment opportunity. Number 3. Texas Instruments, ticker TXN. Texas Instruments, TI, is a renowned original equipment manufacturer specializing in analog, mixed signal, and digital signal processing integrated circuits. The company's products are vital in various electronic applications. From consumer electronics to industrial equipment, Texas Instruments integrated circuits optimize performance, efficiency, and reliability, making them essential in many high-tech devices. The company boasts advanced manufacturing and design facilities across North America, Asia, and Europe, including wafer fabrication and assembly test operations. Texas Instruments' management strategy focuses on fully utilizing its assets throughout their lifetimes, while outsourcing excess demand during peak periods to outside foundries. This approach ensures quality and timely delivery without compromising operational efficiency. Financially, Texas Instruments is on a robust growth path. The company's expected earnings growth rate for the next year is projected at 21.1%, reflecting its strong market position and increasing demand for its products. The Zacks consensus estimate for Texas Instruments' current year earnings has improved by 0.8% over the past 60 days, highlighting positive analyst sentiment. Currently holding a Zacks rank number 3, hold, it is a reliable investment option within the semiconductor sector. This ranking underscores Texas Instruments' potential for stable returns, making it an attractive choice for investors seeking growth with manageable risk. TI's commitment to innovation and operational excellence ensures it remains a leading and dependable player in the tech industry, providing long-term growth potential and solid returns for investors. And finally, let's take a closer look at the key metrics from the table for these top semiconductor stocks. Micron Technology has a market capitalization of $136.79 billion and a modest dividend yield of 0.37%. While its price-to-earnings ratio isn't available, its one-year price target of $135.75 indicates a potential growth of 9.87%. Next, NXP Semiconductors holds a market capitalization of $68.52 billion and offers a dividend yield of 1.54%. With a price-to-earnings ratio of 24.37, its one-year price target stands at $275.89, suggesting a growth potential of 3.02%. Lastly, Texas Instruments leads with a market capitalization of $173.98 billion and the highest dividend yield at 2.77%. Its price-to-earnings ratio is 29.27, and the one-year price target is $178.96, although it shows a slight decrease of 6.30%. These figures highlight the financial strength and potential of each company, providing a solid foundation for any investor considering entering the semiconductor market. The semiconductor industry is poised for a robust recovery, driven by easing price pressures and the growing excitement surrounding AI. As demand continues to rebound, investing in strong semiconductor stocks like Micron Technology, NXP Semiconductors, and Texas Instruments could yield substantial returns for investors. These companies have demonstrated their resilience and capacity for growth, making them attractive options for those looking to capitalize on the industry's resurgence. Before we wrap up, here's a question to leave you with. Which company do you think will lead the way in semiconductor innovation over the next decade? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in to Simple Investing Secrets. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe for more content. And remember, this video is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Happy investing! This concludes our video on the semiconductor industry's comeback and the top stocks to watch. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll continue to bring you valuable insights and strategies to help you achieve your financial goals.